many people, when they start having some spiritual exploration or developing their intuition or doing a healing journey, what can come up, especially as you start to have new awareness and dig into concepts, connect with ideas, is you can get really down on yourself about the things you did when you didn't know better. The thing is, though, you didn't know better. And no matter what, I always remind myself on a regular basis to be kind to myself. So I'm asking you today, be kind to yourself. You did the best you could when you knew something. You didn't avoid the red flag. You didn't take the intuitive insight. You didn't follow your own inner voice. But you know what? Now you're different. Now you know something different. Now you see it differently. And you want to do differently. So go ahead and be kind to yourself. Think to yourself, well, now I know. I didn't know before. Sorry about my phone dropping. I reorganized my bathroom and now I don't have a thing to set my phone. So that's why I haven't done a bathroom video in a while. I'm putting it in my contacts and that's on my to-do list, but obviously not high enough that I did it yet. Higher on my to-do list, and what I think you should have as top 3 things that you do every day is kindness to yourself, acceptance to yourself, compassion to yourself. Every night when I go to sleep, I picture that I am bathed in love, I am bathed in self-love, self-compassion, and whatever it is that I'm working to manifest, I let that feeling just wash over me. But most times I really just go to bed thinking, I am loved, I am loved, I am loved. And I let myself, I kind of get on a mental thread of self-talk right before I go to sleep. I am loved, I am loved, I am loved. It makes life so much better. Because here's the thing, you can't go back and change those past events. But here's something that you can change no matter where you are in time. You can change how you feel about something. The other amazing part is modern day neuroscience and research found that the way memories are stored in your consciousness, in your brain, is not like a photographic image, a file that's like a document where nothing changes. Every time you remember something, your memory of that moment changes. You know how in museums they have special glass over the paintings because light degrades it over time? I'm not saying that you remembering something degrades it over time, but it changes it every time. So you can change the way you feel about things in the past. The sooner you can tell yourself, you did the best you could. I love you. I accept you. You are forgiven. The sooner you can give yourself forgiveness, self-acceptance, and love for past events, you bring back to yourself. It's radically amazing and incredible. I've seen this happen in psychic sessions with people. You bring back to yourself all the energy that you were putting to put yourself down, to be critical of yourself. No one ever criticized themselves enough to become some amazing person who was so happy about your life. It doesn't happen. It never happens. Even people who seem super successful, if they're doing it from a shaming, blaming, critical perspective, inside, it's like a house of haunted horrors. They're not happy inside. And I get that maybe you're thinking, well, I took some of what they got. Why not have both? Why not have happiness inside, self-love inside, peace of mind inside, and the external life that meets your needs? I believe you can have both. I believe the universe is conspiring in your favor. And I believe that the kindest thing you can do to yourself is speak to yourself with the kindest words possible. And when you have a thought that feels super negative or critical, just be like, boop, oh well. And just move on and redirect yourself to love. If you at all use tapping, when I'm in a real bad loop of being super negative to myself or super critical, Even though I feel negative, I knew I should have done better. I totally love and accept myself. Even though I knew I should have done better, I totally love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling bad because I think I should have done better, I totally love and accept myself. Even though you feel bad because you saw something but you didn't do anything about it, you totally love and accept yourself. Even though you feel bad, you could have done something different, but you didn't, you totally love and accept yourself. By this point, my whole body calms. You hear me taking the deep breath. Even though I could have done something different, I totally love and accept myself. Even though I could have done something different, I totally love and accept myself. Even though I could have done something different, I totally love and accept myself. Love and accept yourself. The more you practice that, the more your whole life improves. You also have less patience for people who give you a hard time, who don't respect your boundaries, who don't love you and think you're worthy. And it helps to have those boundaries when you're loving yourself, respecting yourself, believing you're valuable and worthy first. All right, let me know if you want me to break this down in another way. Bye.